All right, this is the elevator here at the Apple Store in downtown Chicago. Look what we got. Look what we got. We got an all-glass Mitsubishi elevator. -1. We'll get our cab view. This is a very nice elevator. I love how it's all glass. This is really cool. Here at -1. 1. Let's listen to this motor. Here at 1. Made a big bump even going up. We'll do one more ride. Looks like these are Med BS buttons. This is a really cool COP. Look at that. Here's the inspection certificate. Look at this. They have a. This is the one of the. This is basically one of these is a rear door and a front door. All right, let's listen to the motor again. We'll watch the button go out this time. Actually, you know what? We'll look out here. Oh, going out? Which one are you going to?
Down.
0 or -1?
-1.
-1, okay. Here you go. You're welcome. All right, we're gonna do one more ride because I'm gonna show you the ceiling. Here we go. Wow, that was an epic motor there. Look at this. Let's take a little bit minute to appreciate that cab. There it goes in. This is a pretty cool elevator, and it's going down. You can see it's on top of the shaft, and it's on C for some reason. This is a really cool elevator for an all-glass Mitsubishi. I think the motor's actually gotten louder than before. All right, well that'll be it. This is a really cool glass elevator I ever seen. The best one yet.